Well, keep going. You're doing everybody a favor. My poor tree's going away in 1 hour. JK, peace.